What is a P0420 code?
So P0420, if you have that code on your vehicle, it typically relates into one of two things that are going on with your car, but primarily it shows that your catalytic converter is not producing or getting hot enough. It's a catalytic converter deficiency code. P0420 codes is an emissions control device. And so if you have to be worrying about emissions or passing your state inspections, then absolutely you're gonna need to get that taken care of. However though, if you have a P0420 code and your car is driving normally, you're like, hey, I can't afford this expensive part and I don't need to do emissions right away, that is a perfectly safe code to be able to drive your car. You can continue to keep driving it. When you do have a clogged catalytic converter, you will have a lack of performance. It won't be able to speed up as efficiently. It's going to be able to kind of bog the vehicle down, not accelerate properly. So your car will let you know when that cat is getting to the worst condition here. But if it just popped on and you don't need to worry about those two things here, that's a perfectly safe code to be driving your car.